Got a 2001 Toyota Venza hybrid key fob here, and I'm gonna show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So turn it over, and there's a sliding button you have right here that we're gonna slide to the left, and you're gonna hold it with your thumb like that. Pull out the emergency key. It just unlocks the emergency key. Now if we look in here, there's a slot right here on the right side, the very far right. It's kind of dark, but this holds the emergency key, and then right next to it there's a vertical slot. Okay, we're gonna use that vertical slot to put a flathead screwdriver in. It doesn't go very far, but it just goes in here. It gives you a place to turn the screwdriver to open the remote and crack it open. Okay, maybe you can see it a little bit better once I open it up. It's these two pieces right here. Okay, right in the middle there. You should be able to see it. That just prevents you from going at the remote and just tearing it all up trying to get it open. Now when you do open it up, you want to do it with the buttons facing the ground, because all this gets real loose, and if it falls out, all the buttons can fall out. They're all like individual pieces. So we want to hold onto the remote like this and just pop the battery out. Battery size is a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. When we get our new one, we stick into the top here to these two little holders, and we just lock it in like that. If you need a battery, there's a link down in the description box below. It takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct size battery. So if you need it real quick, just go there instead of going to Walmart or something. Then you just get the back half, start with the top, work your way down, click it all the way down, emergency key goes back in, locks in, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, or even hit the subscribe button. Hope to see you again in another Toyota video.